Hello and welcome to Learning Ladder. In today's video, we are going to be looking at words that begin with the sound P. The name of this letter is P, and the sound it makes is P. P. P is for pear. P. P. Pear. P is for pan. P. P. Pan. P is for pizza. P, P, pizza. P is for penguin. P, P, penguin. P is for peg. P, P, peg. P is for parrot. P, P, parrot. Well done. Now let's go over the words again. P is for pear. P, P, pear. P is for pan. P, P, pan. P is for pizza. P, P, pizza. P is for penguin. P, P, penguin. P is for peg. P, P, peg. P is for parrot. P, P, parrot. Well done. You are amazing. You have learned about words that begin with P. You can always go over them again and again. Remember, there are lots of videos on this channel to support your learning. If you enjoyed watching this video, do give it a like and subscribe for more. Bye-bye until I see you again.